Next, coming to the point of file. Okay, so coming to the point of file, see, there are many options to create a file. Okay, we can create a file, we can create an empty file, or we can create a file by using editors. Okay, so can anyone can anyone say some editor's name? What are the editors you are using in Windows? What are the editors? Can anyone say some editors? VM editor. Okay, VM editor here we'll be using is VM editor, Sublime Text G editor, VI editor, Vim editor, G edit. So these are some editors like yes, Notepad, WordPad. Normally we will be using Notepad and WordPad. Here we will be using in Linux Vim editor, G edit, VI editor. Okay, suppose that is one of the method. Or else we can use yes, visual code. We can use touch command. We can use touch command to create a file, or we can use cat command to create a file. These are some commands that is available to create a file. So first we will be discussing some editors. Okay, then I will go to that cat command, file command, cat options. Okay, one by one we will discuss. Okay. So here we will be discussing VI editor. There are many editors there. Vim editor is also there. G editor is also there. VI editor also there. So here it is VI editor is easy. So I am discussing this VI editor. Okay, suppose. So VI editor, as the name indicates, a visual editor. See, suppose I want to create a file. Okay, what is the syntax for? I want to create a file in VI editor. So VI, I'm giving that VI. My file name, I'm giving my file name as suppose I'm giving sample. This is my file name. VI space sample. Okay, here no, one thing I would like to say. mm, Here I didn't give any extension. Suppose normally, in Windows you will be creating one file. Suppose if you want Word, you will be exactly giving .doc or .docx. Suppose if you want Notepad, you will be giving .txt. Suppose if you want Excel sheet, you will be giving .xls. So it indicates the file extension. Am I right? Here, suppose if you want PPT means you will be giving .pptx. Here no, okay, I didn't give any extension. Just I'm giving vi space file name by default, right? By default, it will be create as a text file only. .txt file. Okay, suppose if we want, we can give uh, extension also, no issues. Okay, if you want, we can give extension or else see, and the new thing has been created. See sample1.txt in below. If you want, this is the editor. Here I have created one file in the which editor? I have created a file in VI editor. So here this is the editor. Here in terminal, I have created by using a one file in the VI editor. After that, it will be taking to this page. See, in the below, one file is there, sample1.txt. This is your file. That is what you are created now. So only you are getting answer as new file. See here now, you are getting answer as 0 and 0 minus 1. Till now, I didn't start to type anything. 0 words, 0 count. So only it is showing us 0, comma 0 minus 1. Suppose, see, it is showing the tilde symbol, right? It is showing the tilde symbol. So what is means it is in command mode. Okay, usually your editors will be having two mode. One is a command mode, one is a insert mode. Now in which mode I'm working? No, here I'm working in command mode. So only see if I'm unable to type anything, right? See, I'm unable to type anything. How? You have to press I. Okay, see, after pressing I, you will be getting answer as insert. So after that only what I can do, I can type anything. So now I'm moving my editor, that is still now I'm in command mode. I'm switching my command mode to insert mode. So only after that, how to move to insert mode? You have to press I. Okay, what you have to press? You have to press I, or you have to press insert button. Then only it will take you to the which mode? Command, that is insert mode. After that only you can type anything. See here I'm in insert mode. Okay, I don't want insert mode. I want again command mode, means you type press I again. Okay, you just type. See, suppose I'm typing here something I'm typing. This is my file. My file name is sample1.txt. So this is the content I'm having. Hi, I'm having, how I'm having, or I'm having, I'm having, nilite, I'm having. So these are the some answers I'm having. These are some content that is available in my file. Okay, so I have opened the file by using editor. So usually the visual editor consists of two modes. One of the mode is command mode. Once open your editor, you will be in which mode? You will be in command mode. Okay, so if you want to move to insert mode, that is if you want to type the content, in that case you have to press I button, or you have to press insert. After that you will be getting answer, here's insert. Then you can type it. Is it okay now? So now I'm typing the content. Some content I'm typing here. So it is, these are the content that is available in my file. Okay, here I'm creating a new file. Okay, then I want to save my file. So for saving it, you have to press escape, shift colon WQ. What is mean by that means I'm coming out of that insert mode. So where I'm actually in insert mode. Okay, so to come out of that insert mode, first I'm pressing escape button. Okay, then I want to save my content. Here my content is something I have typed. Okay, hi, how are you, Naila Chennai, something I have typed. So I want to save that. So WQ, W means write, write means save and quit. Is it okay now? So only I'm here, so I'm typing the answer is WQ, that is colon WQ. W stands for write option. That is what are the things I have written in the file. It must be saved. So here I have written Nile, Chennai, fruit, kettle, jug, something I have written. So I want these content to be saved in the file. That is sample text. That is my file name is sample1.txt. So I'm giving the W option. W is to write. I'm giving Q. Q means save and come out of that particular file. So only I'm giving, see the answer what I have written, WQ. So colon WQ is save and quit, save and quit of that particular file. Is it okay now? See, I'm giving colon WQ, I'm pressing enter. See, now I came to my terminal mode. Is it okay now? Now I'm not in that particular file. Now I want to see whether that particular file is it open or not. So I'm giving my file name sample1. See, sample1.txt. This is my file name I have created. See, it is there. See now, these are the contents that is available. That is what I have typed. See how many lines it is there. It is showing us 13 lines, 13L. How many characters is there? 104 characters. It is what is showing, 13. Is it okay now? Now I'm in which mode? Now I'm in command mode. Am I right? Now I'm in command mode. I'm unable to type anything. See, I'm pressing something. I'm pressing I button. Then it has been changed to insert mode. It is showing us insert. Then I'm typing something. Okay, then I'm typing something, then I want to change. So sorry, I want to save, so I'm pressing escape. Why I'm pressing escape means I want to come out of this mode. Which mode I am there? I'm in insert mode. To come out of this, I'm pressing escape. I have pressed escape, then shift colon WQ. Okay, is it okay now? Okay, this is what. See, here no, here I have opened the file. Okay, in visual editor mode. Okay, I have created, we can use Vim editor also, ma, no issues. We can use Vim editor also. We can use any editor we can use. Okay, here I have used VI editor. So VI, the syntax is space file name. Here my file name I have saved as sample1.txt. Is it okay now? See here already as usual thing. If you want, you can go to this files folder. See that is three files that I have created now. One is sample1.txt. Normally you'll be creating like this. Now how you will be creating? By clicking new folder or something, new file. The same thing here I have created file by using VI editor. So now I'm clicking the sample1.txt. See, it is there now. What I have typed here, that 14 lines. Hmm? What I have done, what we are doing normally, I have done in by using editor. I have done in shell, that I have done in terminal. Is it okay now? So then again I'm moving to this terminal now. Okay, suppose I'm creating another one file. I'm creating already I'm having three files. One file is sample, another file is sample1.txt, another file is simply sample1. Three files I'm having. Suppose if I want to move to that particular file, so you just give vi that particular file name. Yes, ma? Prakash? Okay, any issues? Okay, so I'm giving to open. We can open it normally. That is everything you know. That is normally we'll be using. How in commands are how we are using here. That is the point. So to open any file, so you just give vi that file name. That's all. So that is here I want to open vi the sample one file. See, this is an empty file. I am not having any content. See, it is showing that particular file name sample one, zero line. So because no line is there, no, so it is showing us zero line, no character is there. So it is showing us zero C. Here it is showing us zero. Is it okay now? Now I am in command mode, so I am pressing I. That is I am pressing insert. So it is switched to insert mode now. Is it okay now? So I'm typing something. If I want to come out, if you don't want to save, if you don't want for saving, you will be giving answer as escape. Why escape means to come out from that insert mode. Escape. To save, you will be clicking colon WQ. To not save, you just give Q alone. Write and Q means WQ means write and quit. Simply Q means just quit. Don't need to save. See, I'm giving something. Okay, I'm giving just escape. I'm just giving escape. So I have come out from the insert mode. I am not giving. I'm giving just a Q. Here I don't want to save. Okay, here I don't want to save. I'm just giving, just quit. So I'm just quitting. See, I had to overwrite error. You will be getting, so I want to move to insert mode. Save 61. Hmm. Is it okay now? I came out. So now I'm checking whether my content is saved or not. So which file I have opened? I have opened the file called sample1. Okay, sample1. Okay, now I'm trying to open the same file again. See, nothing is there because I didn't save anything. Okay, just I have come out of it. So come out of it. You just come out from the that insert mode. So you have to press escape. Escape, shift Q, that exclamatory mark. Is it okay now? So so just coming out of that particular file. Okay. Is it okay? This is one of the method. What is the role of that exclamatory mark? So not to save. So this quit means to come out. Okay. So the syntax is Q exclamatory mark here. Okay. Wait, I will share the PPT. Then it is easy for you. Not to save. Okay. Not to save and just quit from that particular file. So only I'm giving escape. Escape is to come out. Shift colon. That is Q and not to save anything. So see, file operations. This is one of the method for creating a file. Okay, here I have used that VI editor. See, file operation. Okay, I think my slide is now visible. So here how I'm creating file. Here I'm creating a file by using VI. That is visual editor I'm using. Okay. So VI editor, how we are saying VI editor is elaborated as visual editor. Okay, it is installed in every Unix system. Okay, it will be in Unix, it will be in Linux, any OS versions or any Linux OS versions, we will be using this editors. Okay, we can use VI also, we can use Vim, we can use gedit also. In other words, it is, that is what I'm trying to say. In other words, it is available in all Linux distros. Distros is nothing but your Linux distributions. Fedora, Debian, Ubuntu, what is called Elementary OS, all the Linux versions, it will be available. Yes, it is user friendly and works same on different distros. Yes, it is easy for the user to work on it. Only two mode is there. One is a command mode, one is the insert mode. And it is a very powerful application and improved version of VI editor is Vim editor. So VI editor, Vim is also one of the editor. Is it okay now? We can use Vim editor also. Hmm. See, suppose one second. I am in command mode. So what is the command I can? Suppose if I want to set line number. Okay, suppose I'm giving, I want to set number. I want to, suppose I want to put number. So you have to press the same thing. Okay, so I am in command mode. Okay, what I'm trying to do, I have opened the file. So my file, what is the file here I have opened? I have opened that sample one. Okay, now I want to give some commands. Okay, so what is the command I want to? I want to put line number. So just I'm pressing shift colon, that is set. Okay, set is a keyword. What I want? I want number. So just I'm pressing enter. So you will be getting answer like hi. So it is in command mode. Again, I'm pressing this insert. Okay, I'm typing. See, for this file, I have set line number. Okay, now where I have set that line number, I have set in command mode because I have set that line number by using a keyword called set. So now I have moved to this insert mode. Okay, here I'm typing something. Is it okay? Okay, now what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to come out of the file by saving it. Okay, so I'm just first I'm coming out of it, so I'm pressing escape, shift colon WQ. See, is some okay. So now I'm checking whether this content has been already saved or not. So I'm giving that particular file name vi space sample vi space sample one. See, it is there. Okay, it is there. Some 11 some content is there. Some 11 lines are there and 72 characters are there. Yes, it will also work. Wait, I will come. I will come, Shaurabh. Is it okay now? Mm, See? This is the syntax. Vi, I'm creating that file name. Here my file name I have given vi space sample A. Okay. So these are some options, right? See, colon WQ. So colon WQ means save and quit. Why? Okay, save and quit. Just W if you give means just save. If you give just Q means quit. Okay, suppose is it means save and quit. We can give the same thing. We can give WQ, shift colon WQ, or we can do this. What is what? This both are same. Is it is same, or this shift colon WQ both are same. Okay, next colon Q naught, that is quit discarding changes made. I don't want anything. Okay, suppose it will asking, no, do you want to make in normal windows, do you want to save or not, or else what are the changes you are making, it will discard, right? The same thing, quit discarding changes made. Then what is what? Colon W exclamation mark save, and write not what are the things I have made, that is alone will be saved. So remaining things it won't save. See, 72 characters written. Is it okay now? Suppose if I'm trying to add something by pressing insert mode. Suppose I'm pressing insert mode. Okay, I'm trying to add something. Okay. Suppose here I'm giving. Okay. So at here two cases will be occur. So how no? One thing, the something will be overwritten completely. The content will be overwrite. That one case is also there. So only they are given non-readable file. So what are the things I'm adding? It will be getting updated. Two cases is there, right? So while updating the file, I want to update it from first onwards, or I want to update from which line I'm giving. So only the word they are given non-writable file. Already it is there. I'm not giving any new file. Here no overwritten takes place. Is it okay now? That also. Suppose if you want to overwrite the file, or I want to completely change that file, that is some separate commands is there. Here from where I have make changes. Here I have make changes from 13th line, or here I have make changes from 14th line. So only the word they are given is non-writable one, where it is already available content. I'm just continuing. So already I'm having 12 lines. I'm just updating the file here. Okay, here I am not doing any overridden or any overwriting. So just I'm updating from the 13th line, 14th line, and 15th line. Or else suppose if I'm having 100 lines, suppose I want to edit only the 15th line alone. Suppose if I want edit 17th line alone, I have to make changes. No, in that case you have to use the command go to. Go to here I am setting go to as command go to the 17th line. So it will be make changes in that alone. Then you will be your content, that particular 17th line alone will be changed. What is what you can make changes, and you can update the file. Is it okay now? Okay, fine. So next command. Okay, next command what we'll be using is ls command. So my system is too low. Okay, so as we discussed, what is the use of this ls command? Can anyone say? Ls command. What is what? Listing of commands. See, in day two folder, I'm having some files. That is sample is one of the files, sample one, one dot x. These are the files that is available in day two folder. Yes, list of files. Suppose next what we are going to learn is yes, listing of directories and listing of files. Next we are going to learn this ls in detail. Okay, ls in detail. In detail means suppose normally ls means it is going to display some files and folders. Okay, it consists of some options. How I want to display option. What I we are going to discuss is ls option. So listing the files and directories. And files and dirs directories. Okay. Suppose I'm giving the first option. I'm giving ls minus l. This is one of the first option. There are many options there. Like directory, no. In directory, we are having mkdir. Normally mkdir while we are using, which is used to create a make directory. Suppose in that case, I'm going for one option. What is the option? Mkdir minus p. In that case, minus p, it is used to create directory within directories. So like that, each of the commands is having some options. Here one of the option is minus L. There are many options there. The first option is ls minus L. So minus L means long listing. Here I am listing. Normally ls stands for listing only. What is it is going to list? It is going to list the files and directories. That is files and folder. Here it is listing in long. That is what is mean by long. It is listing in elaborately. So only the word they are giving minus L. ls minus L. So see exactly. One second, my uh, see what I have given the command as ls minus l. Okay, which location I am there? I am there in day 2 folder. Okay, so I'm pressing enter. So I have given the command as ls minus l. Okay, so I'm in which location? I'm in the location called day 2. For that location, the particular command has been executed. Okay, I have long listed. Okay, I have long listed the files and folders, and for the which folder? Day 2 folder. Okay, what are the files it is available in day 2 folder? In that day 2 folder, it is elaborated. So see, I am having 3 files. See, that it is total is files. That is total 8 is file size. That is internal file size. It is showing in bytes. Okay, see, I am having 3 files. Am I correct? See, in this ls sample1 sample1.txt I'm having. What I have done now, I have listing that in long list manner, so I have given ls minus l. So it is showing detail, that is, it is showing elaborately the total file size is 8, that is internal file size, that is giving in bytes. Okay, see, the first file is sample1, second file is sample2, the third file is sample1.txt. Is it okay? Now coming to the first point, see here, no, what I have highlighted is this is the first parameter. Okay, this first parameter indicates your permission. Okay, this first parameter consists of 10, 10 points, that is 10 characters. See, hyphen, that is first one is a hyphen. Um, First one is hyphen. R stands for read, W stands for write. Again, R, that is hyphen, read, write, hyphen, read, read, read. Okay, what is mean by that? Shall I say it is nothing but the permission. Okay, who is the user? Okay, who is the user? Who is the owner? It indicates who is the owner. That is, who is the administrator here. That is the first 10 characters. Who is the owner? Who is the group coming them? Who is having others? That is, other means upper. Here, that first 10 parameters indicates the, now it's fine. Thank you. The first 10 parameter indicates the permission. Okay, that is, it consists of 10 characters. The first one normally, permission, in that also the first character is there, no, the first character here, what is the first character indicates? Hyphen. Here the first character is hyphen only, no, the hyphen indicates the text file, that is normal file. Why? Because see, this is we have created sample is a file here, so it is indicating as first is hyphen. Okay, so the first character, the first character may be file. Okay, if it is file, it is indicated in hyphen, or it may be directory. Okay, suppose if I created directory, it may be indicated as D, or it may be link. It will be link. Okay, it will be indicated as L, or it may be some blocks. It will be indicated as B, or it may be some special, sorry, character spelling wrong, some special character file. Character file, it may be C. Sorry, it may be C. Is it okay now? So now what I am discussing means, I am discussing this ls minus l. Okay, in this ls minus l means it's long listing. Okay, what it is long listing? It is long listing in about this particular folder. I may long list any folder. I may long list home page. I may long list root page. I may long list any directory. Here I am long listing this particular directory called day 2. So it is showing what are the files available in that particular folder in a detailed manner. So in that I am having 3 files. One is sample, another one is sample1, another one is sample1.txt. Now you have to identify whether it is a file or folder. As I discussed earlier, one shortcut is, if it is blue color, it is folder. If it is white color, it is file. That is one thing. Another thing means, see the first thing, the first parameter, this first 10 character indicates your permission. Okay, in that also the first letter, that is, see, it is hyphen. This hyphen, no, here it is a file. Here my file name is sample, so it is showing as hyphen. It may be directory also. Suppose here I am having directory day 2, it will show as D. Suppose if it is a character file, some character file, it will show you C. Suppose if it is a link, it will show you L. Suppose if it is a block file, it will show you B. Okay. Suppose it will be a directory, it will be showing you D. Is it okay now? Okay. Second case. Second is read. R stands for read. W stands for write. Another one thing is there X. X stands for executable file. These 3 things is there. Okay. I am R stands for read. Okay. What is mean by 4, ma'am, here? 4 is a octal value, is a default octal value for reading a file. Next one, it may be write. Right? The default octal value is here 2. Okay. Next one, sometimes it may be X. Okay, see here nothing is X. Here everything is read, write, read, write. See here nothing is X. Read, write, read, write, read, read. Nothing is X. Sometimes X is also will be coming. X is means executable file. So X stands for, here I am writing, sorry, executable file. The octal value is 1. Is it okay now? Okay, next, coming to the next point. See what it indicates. This first 10 parameters, in that the first one, that is the first one indicates it may be a directory, it may be a link, or it may be a block, or it may be some special character. Second, that is 2, 3, 4 is there. No, this 2, 3, 4. This 2, 3, 4 stands for owner of the group. That is owner of the file. Owner of the file, or that particular exact user here. Okay, so 2, 3, 4 indicates the owner. Okay, so indicates owner. Next, 5, 6, 7 is there. No, here 5, 6, 7, that indicates group. Okay, that 5, 6, 7 indicates group. Who is the group? Is it okay now? 5, 6, 7. That last 3, 8, 9, 10 indicates others. Okay, 8, 9, 10. Sorry, 8, 9, 10 indicate others. So what is mean by that? The best example, consider this nihilate. Okay, here the owner is nihilate. That is 2, 3, 4 is nihilate. Group means we are all group. Okay, others means we are coming. That is 2, 3, 4 stands for nihilate, because nihilate is owner. I am accessing this nihilate's VA lab. See, this is nihilate VA lab I am accessing. Okay, so the group I am belongs to group. We all belongs to group. Okay, because you will be also going to get credentials. So the 5, 6, 7 belongs to group. 8, 9, 10, that is others. Apart from this group, apart from nihilate people, others. Okay, why this? Who can access this file? The owner is Nihilate. So Nihilate can read the file, Nihilate can write the file, Nihilate can execute a file, Nihilate can update the file, Nihilate can delete everything Nihilate can do. That is what the 2, 3, 4 indicates. As the Nihilate has given permission to group also. That is group means you people. That is we people all. So 5, 6, 7. So see the here. You are also having read access, you are also having write access. Right means you can change the content, you can modify the content, you can upgrade the content, or you can override the content. Am I right? You are also having the same access. That is group 5, 6, 7. Other people see, that is others. That is outside person. Outside person, they can just view that particular file alone. They cannot read. Am I right? See that particular the 10 parameters ma. The first parameter is, here is a file, so it is indicating hyphen. It is a directory, it is indicating D. So now are you able to understand that access, that permission? 2, 3, 4 is the owner of the group. I am the owner. I can delete the file. I can rewrite the file. I can update the file. The same access rights I have given to my group. That is you people also. That is 5, 7, 5, 6, 7. See, you people also, what you can do? You can also read the file. You can also write the file. You can also delete anything you can do. Am I correct? See the last one, others. That is 8, 9, 10. They can just view the file alone. Is it okay? Okay, then coming to the point, one question I would like to ask here. So, what is the default permission for the user? Default permission for the user or owner? User or owner? What is the default permission? Can anyone say? For read, it is 4. For write, it is 2. For executable, it is 1. Am I correct? So, what I'm trying to do, default permission. Okay, default permission for owner. What is what? 4 plus 2 plus 1. This, what is what? 7. For the same, coming to the point of group, it will be again 7, right? Coming to the point of what is what? Others. If I didn't give, what is the access I'm giving? What is the access I'm giving? That particular access alone. If I'm giving read, you just give 4 alone. Suppose if I'm giving write, you just give 2 alone. Suppose if I'm giving that executable, you just give 1 alone. Is it okay now? Is it okay now? Are you able to follow? This is for owner. Same thing, coming to the point of group. So what is the group here? Group is 5, 6, 7. Am I right? For read it is 4. For write it is 2. Here for executable it is 0 is there. So you just give here 4 plus 2 plus 0. So here it is 6. Is it okay now? The same thing also for owner. It is 6. Now is it okay? For what is the permission I have given for others? So others, for others what I have given? I have given only the read access alone. Is it okay? Okay. See, now another case I would like to say, let it be there. Let it be there. Now we have discussed this first parameter. Okay, this first parameter is nothing but your permission. Okay, who is the user permission? Who is the others permission? It may be anything. Here I have given permission for read write. It may come only read and executable. Anything it may come. Okay. See, next case, what is this one? This is second parameter indicates your link. Okay. Okay, it indicates that is link. It may be link. Okay, link means what it indicates means soft link is there, hard link is there. Okay, we will be discussing this briefly in upcoming classes. Our stuff now it is enough. Okay, it indicates internally it will create some links to access. Okay, here it indicates how many links it has been created to particular. It has been created to access that particular file. Okay, so sometimes for accessing this file, that is this file name is was this file name sample. Okay, this file name is sample. So it has created internally to access or to execute this particular file called sample. This one link. Okay, so as of now it is okay. Link means soft link is there, hard link is there. We will be creating soft link. Wait, we will learn in upcoming classes. As of now it is okay. Next, third parameter. What is your third parameter they are given here? Third parameter, what they are given here? Third parameter here, this. Nothing but your user. That is here my username. Here I have given username itself user. Here you can give your name. You can, it may be your Saurav, it may be Prakash or something. Here it is my username is user only. So third parameter indicates username. Okay. Sorry, see my system is getting stuck. Please 1 second wait. Is it okay now? So okay. Next fourth parameter is a group name. Fourth parameter is a group name. Okay. So fourth parameter is group name. So yesterday you have created virtual machine, in that you have installed Ubuntu. No, am I right? In that it will be asking after while installing Ubuntu, it will be asking username, right? Yesterday you people remember. That is what it is displaying here. It will be, suppose if you run means, it will be displaying what is your username. It may be Hadoop, it may be master, or it may be your name Shiva or money something. What is the username? What you are given? That will be displaying here. Here I have given my username is as user itself. Okay, next fourth parameter is a group name. Mostly your username and group name will be same only. Is it okay? Okay, the fifth parameter is file size. Okay, the fifth parameter is size of the file. See, in this case, I am having three files: sample1, sample1.txt. In that file called sample, nothing content is there. So it is showing us 0. Here in sample1, I'm having some content that size is 89. Here in another file, that is sample1.txt, the file size is 118. Is it okay now? You go and check here. That is, you check in files folder. I'm having three files. Okay, just I'm checking in sample file. Nothing is there, right? So only it is showing us 0. Okay, then I'm moving to this files folder. I'm going to the sample one content. See, some content is there. So it is showing it a particular file size at 89. So again, I'm going to the sample one. Some content is there. Its size is 118. So only it is showing here 100 0. See, it is showing us 0. Nothing is there. It is showing some 89. It is showing us 118. Is it okay now? That is file size. That is our fifth parameter. Fifth parameter, size of the file. Okay. Next, sixth parameter, date. That is what date the particular file has been created. Okay, date, or we can say as modification time, last modification time, or we can say as last access time. So next parameter is next parameter, the same thing, the last access time, when the particular file has been accessed, or modification time, we can say anything. The last parameter, that is your eighth parameter. Okay, eighth parameter is nothing but your name of the file. Is it okay now? Here what I have done is I am long listing my file. Under for which folder I have long listed? Here I have long listed for my folder called day 2. You may long list for any folder. You may long list for home directory, you may long list for root directory, or you may long list for test one, whatever, anything you can long list. Okay, these are the some options that is available here. Okay, the first is indicates your parameter, second one indicates your link, third one indicates your username, the fourth parameter indicates your group name, the fifth parameter indicates your size of the file, the sixth parameter indicates the date at when the file is created, the seventh parameter indicates your access time or last modification time, and last parameter indicates your file name. Is it okay? Okay, next one thing. Suppose if I'm giving, notice what, I'm moving to root directory directly. Okay, here I'm moving to root directly. So I'm giving. Okay, so here I have moved to root directory. So now I am in root directory. Okay, in that root directory, I'm trying to do listing in long list format. It's the same thing. ls minus l. See why I have shown this now. Here I am in which page? Sorry, I am in which directory? I am in root directory. Okay, in root directory, I have long listed it. Okay, I have long listed it. So what is the command here I have given? ls minus l. See why I have given this root directory, no, to show you something. See, this is the file size. That is total internal file size. That is, it is in bytes. See, the first, these are the folders or these are the files. That is, see, that is available inside the root directory. The entire thing, it is long listed here. See, now you consider this first one alone. Now you consider this first one alone. See, the first one, can anyone say the first 10 parameters? Why it is D? D means here, directory. So see, the directory name is here. Directory name here is bin. As we discussed earlier, small shortcut means if it is blue color, default it is directory. It is correct now. Also, it indicates if it is D, it is directory. Okay, see, for directory here I have given read access is there, write access is there, and executable access is there. Here, one thing I would like to say, here we are discussing in root directory, that is admin, that is root mode, top mode. So this is, since it is the most secureable file, only user has the rights to execute. See, read, write, and executable. Am I right? Because it is admin, it is a root mode. It is a priority I am giving. So as I am the owner, I am the one, I can read, I can write and execute. So I'm having all this access. See, the coming to the point of group. I didn't give any update access. Sorry, I didn't give any write access because this is a confidential folder. So I just, what I have given, I have given only that particular group can only read and execute. He is unable to change, or he is unable to delete, or he is unable to update anything. Now is it okay now? Why? Because it is in a root bin folder. The same permission I have given for to whom? Others also. Is it okay? Because since it is a bin, this is a bin, boot, cd-rom, device, these are all what is what? Library files, are these are system files. Because inbuilt programs we have written. So only the user can modify it. Only the developers or only the programmers can modify it. So only they are having access right. That is RWX. Am I right? For group and for others, they are given only R hyphen X or hyphen X. Now is it clear now? So only I have given this example. So only I have long listed in root directory to understand purpose, for you understand. Okay, coming to the next point. Next point, this is two, that is link. As we discussed, how many links it is created. See, as we discussed, the username and group name is will be always common only. Next one, what is the size? Size of that particular folder, in which time it is created, then bin for everything. Is it okay now? Then you just scroll it down. One thing I would like to show here. Where it is? Uh, See, link. I have said no, the first character. The first character may be directory, it may be some character files, or it may be any link. So link, see, it is showing as L. See, the first parameter it is showing as L no. Huh? Just now I have discussed, it may be hyphen. Hyphen means file. D means directory. L means link. B means block. C means some special character. So here I have shown you one example for link file. That is link. L it is showing as user read write executable, read write executable, read write executable. Is it okay now? Here I have given example for that link file. See another one case. Wait, something. Hmm. See, see this case. That is swap file. No one is having access. Only who is having access here? Only that particular owner is having. He didn't give access to others and he didn't access to group also. So only everything is hyphen 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 here. Only the owner is having read and write access. Is it okay now? Or do you have any doubt till this? Okay. So only I have executed for you in root folder. We have done two examples. I have long listed in normal folder what we are working, and I have long listed in root folder. Is it okay? Okay. Now I'm coming out of this where I am. Suppose I'm giving to home page. I'm moving to home page. This is what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to long listing in home page now. See, I moved to home page. That is home directory. So in home directory, I'm having only user. Okay. In that user, is it okay now? I have a long listed in home page. I have long listed in some user folder. Is it okay? Are you clear with this ls minus l? Shall we move to next one? It is visible now. Okay, so I'm giving ls ls minus a. Once again, I am in which page now? I am in home page. So minus a. Minus a is one of the another options. Why we are using for this minus a means it will display the hidden files also. Normally in phone, no, some hidden files will be there. Have you seen in Android phone? Some files will be hidden, like some hidden files is there. Like that also, here also some hidden files is there. So we want to know whether how many hidden files are there in this folder. So here I am in home page. So I want to know how many hidden files are there. So I'm giving this ls minus a, pressing enter. See, that is dot. So this dot, no, this hidden files will be indicated in dot format. See, dot catch, dot conda, dot config, dot dbus, dot gnupg, who are all having that dot, that is hidden directory, that is in blue color. That is, see, this is a hidden file. See, this is my MySQL history, this is Python history, this is Vim, that this is hidden files. See, remaining thing. See, day 2 is one folder, no, what we are working now. It is not hidden. So it is not showing us dot, right? See, but this is dot catch, dot condo, dot bash history. These are hidden files. That all the dot indicates that are hidden files that is available in which folder? That is available in home page. We can find out the hidden files in any folder. Suppose, see, suppose if I'm moving to CD day 2. Okay, here now I am in which location? I am in day 2 location. Suppose if I want to find out how many hidden folders here. So I am giving, see, in my folder, that is day 2, some hidden files is there, something. Is it okay now? Remaining things, that is sample1, sample1.txt is visible file. So you can find the hidden files in any folder. Okay, we can file for parent directory, we can find for root directory, or any particular directory you can find out. The option is minus a. Why we are using ls means list out. I'm listing out the hidden files. So only I'm using ls minus a. Okay, next one. Okay, now we have discussed ls minus a. Next one is ls minus lh. ls minus lh means the same thing. The file sizes in human readable form. It will display or it will list all the files and folders in the human readable form here. Okay, so for that we have to give ls minus lh. Hmm. Okay, I will explain, then I will run one by one. Okay, next one is ls minus l hyphen hyphen block size. See, what this command is. It will also going to list out only. Okay, it will also going to list out what are the files and folders available. But in size, what is the size I am giving? Here, suppose if I am giving m means, it will display the file in megabytes. Suppose if I am giving the file size capital G, it will display the size of that particular file or folder in gigabytes. So here I am giving that block size as capital M, capital T, or capital Z, or capital G. So only they are given ls minus l hyphen hyphen block size equal to, within that square bracket I have given size. In which format you want the size, whether in megabytes, whether in gigabytes, whether in terabytes. So you have to give that particular letter. If suppose if I give m, it will display the size of the file in megabytes. Suppose if I'm giving the letter as capital T, you will be getting the answer of that particular file in terabytes. Okay, one thing you have to remember here, you have to give in capital form, or else it will be throwing an error, because it's a case sensitive one. See, that is what they are given. It is used to display the files in a specific format. What is the format I want? I want in either megabyte or gigabyte or terabyte or something or kilobytes, anything. Is it okay now? Next command, what I have given is ls. Okay, everything I'm listing out only. So only ls command. Here next option what I'm using is minus d. So minus d star slash. Here you have to give space or you will be getting error. Okay, you have to give ls space minus d space star slash. It is used to display the subdirectories. So here what is meant by subdirectory? Only suppose if I am in day2 folder. Okay, what are the subdirectories that is present in that particular folder? It will display. That is child directory. It will display. Only it will display the child directories alone. Apart from that, it won't display anything. So why I have given that star slash? Star slash means it indicates all. Suppose if I am in home page, okay, suppose if I'm home page, what are the subdirectories it is there? So I want all to be listed out. So only that star slash. So it is used to display only the subdirectories in the home page, or it is used to only display the subdirectories in which particular folder I am there. I may be in day 2, I may be in day 3, or I may be in any folder, or I may be in desktop, or I may be in documents, or I may be in anything. So it is used to only display the subdirectories under that particular folder. Okay, na? So next line, color. Okay, ls minus, sorry, ls hyphen hyphen color, that value we have to give. This command is used to print list as colored or discolored one. What is mean by here? As we discussed, the what your directory will be in blue color, right? Temporary files will be in green color. Library, some of the library files will be in cyan color. Normal text files will be in white color. Suppose if I enable this means it will be displaying in color mode. Suppose I am disabling this, everything will be displayed in white color. Okay, we will execute this one by one. Just I'm explaining the PPT first. So here I'm giving value. Suppose if I'm giving this means everything will be colored. That is exactly directory will be in blue, temporary file will be in green color, normal text file will be white color. Suppose I'm disabling it, all the files. It may be your library files, it may be your temporary files, directories, folders. Everything will be displayed in white colors. Just I'm listing out. That's all. I'm listing out based on my need. Here my need is I want that color. That's all. Next, how I'm listing means ls minus li. ls minus li. So what is mean by that? Here this command prints the index number if the file is in the first column. See, if I'm creating one file, okay, index number means what is what? Every file will be having one sequence number or one index number. See, every student is having one roll number, no? Like that, what are the files here we are creating? One index number will be created automatically. It will display that index number of that particular file. Okay, ls minus li. Next one, ls minus r. ls minus r, which is used to minus r. So minus r is option is reverse order. Okay, it will display the file in the reverse order in which folder I am there. Suppose I am in day 2 folder, it will list the files that is in the reverse order. That is alphabetical order reverse. Okay, alphabetical order reverse. Suppose if I'm in home page, it will display all the files and folders in that particular home page in reverse order. Suppose if I'm root folder, everything in reverse order, that is in alphabetical manner. Next one, ls minus capital R. ls minus capital R and ls minus this one. This both is used more or less same, but you should not get confused. See, ls minus d ls minus d space star slash is used to display only subdirectories. Only it will display folder alone. But here, ls minus r, it will display the subdirectories along with the content. Okay, we will discuss now. Next one, ls minus lt. So Mm. ls minus lt is it will sort the list by displaying recently modified file at the top. So nothing. What is mean by here? Mean by means if I'm having day 2 folder. In day 2 folder I'm having 3 files. In that which file I have recently modified. In that order it will display. Recent folders or recent file will be available in the top. Then based on the access time or based on the modification time it will display. Which file I have been accessed recently. It will be display in the top. So only they are given it will sort the list by displaying the recently modified file at the top. Which file I have modified recently, it will display as the top. Suppose if I modify the file at 12:54 p.m., it will display at the top. I have modified at 10 a.m., it will be displayed next. So based on the modification time, it will display. Next one, ls minus tilde. Normally tilde stands for which one? Normally tilde stands for tilde indicates home tilde, not root. Tilde stands for cd tilde. cd tilde. If I am giving command as cd tilde, it will take you to home page or root page. cd tilde, home page. So tilde stands for home page. If I'm giving that L, that is forward slash, it will take to root page. The same thing here. Ls tilde, ls root. Correct? No. Here root means nothing but your parent, that is root directory. That is what we have discussed now here. CD tilde. Yes, yes, Prakash. So ls tilde, ls1. Next one, ls hyphen version. It indicates which version you are using for that ls command. Version of ls command, not version of Ubuntu OS. Which version of ls you are working on it. Is it okay now? These are the some options of ls commands. Some options means I want my file to be in long list of format. I may, if I want color, I may give color. If I don't want, we can display, sorry, we can disable the color. I want file in particular block size, either in megabyte, kilobyte or gigabyte, or I want in recently accessed file, I want all only subdirectories, or I want only the content of the subdirectories. I want only the home page, or I want only the root page. Anything we can long list it out. These are the options that is available in ls. So what are the options I am giving? It is going to list out in that particular folder. It may be root, or it may be parent, or it may be your any particular directory. Is it okay now? Any doubt regarding till this? I will execute all these 10 to 15 commands in upcoming classes. Okay.